Oh, God.
Hey, you guys, I'm working with a torn ACL and I got a brace on my knee, which restricts my movement a little bit. So if you see something you like while I'm up here, clap quick. I ain't doing it long.
This is classic. I'm so glad we stopped. I started.
Okay, you ready, Karen? Okay, here we go. On 50.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
Karen, can you hear me? Don't turn around.
Turn around, turn around. Woo! Run. She's doing her job. Oh, God.
Let's make some real noise.
Yay!
Karen, you and your girlfriend get 6 free margaritas in a hot tub right after the show.
We love you. Oh, no.
How was that, honey?
Oh, boy. Don't hurt my back. Seriously.
Really? Oh, my. How does he do that at the same time?
You can juggle, you know.